What is up, everybody? Let's go turn this light on. I was gone for the weekend. Headed over to Michigan for a golf tournament with some of my college buddies. Skull. Yeah, so I haven't done much work here in the Beat Laboratory for a long time. But let me show you what I got going on that I'm going to be working on right now. You see these two right here? And do you see this one? And this one? And that one back there? Well, I couldn't help myself when I went to Michigan and stopped by a couple of hotels, and I found two of these at one and another AC unit at the other, and these are big. There was another one of these and I couldn't get it in here. I could only fit 3 in here. So how you doing? How you doing? Oh, hello there. So anyway, it's time for me, with it raining, and I've got my hoodie on because it is mid-60s and it has been raining all day. I was gonna mow, but I'm not gonna be able to mow till tomorrow, and I'm gonna have to bale it when I'm done. I'm gonna just get through some of this stuff that's on this table, clean off the table, and then I'm gonna start grinding through these suckers. Let's do it. Let's do some AC. And then I'm gonna wipe off my glasses. Everything looks spotty. And I go to these apartment complexes and I keep finding these blinds. And look how many sets of blinds I have right here. It's pretty ridiculous. But once I get through them, it's actually a good amount of aluminum. And then this looks like the top of an oven or something. So we'll get the wire off of here, this little tidbit. It kind of looks like brass, but it's not. I don't think. Oh, maybe it is. It's not magnetic. All right. Okay, so real quickly, I found this at a garage sale. It's brass. It's light, but it's a light. So let's turn this sucker on. There you go. I might scrap it out eventually, but I'm not going to right now. And I'm wondering why this lid looks like it has wax or something, but it doesn't have any smell to it. It's not like a potpourri thing. I gotta get these downstairs and add them to my stack. Yeah, man, I'm kind of out of it. I gotta get things rolling again here. Not gonna get much out of this, but it was a dumpster find, so you take what you can get. And you move on to the next thing. All right. Cut these off. Shredola. Okay. Okay. Get the wires out. Now I'm going to pull these off real quick because they're brass. this is shred. And that is now out of the way. Get these wires into my bin. That's filling up pretty quick. I think it's high time for us to get after one of these ACs. Jeez. What else we got? Another screw right here. Metal clips. Okay. There's one rad. And that is rad. Okay. There we go. There's some delicious number 2 right there. Whoever made these things, I don't like them too much. Kind of just a pain. Ooey gooey. I mean, if these were brownies, they'd be perfect, but they're not brownies. Ugh. There's my number 2. Okay, let's go. Brandon. What else we got? A couple screws over here. Same on this side. Here we go. Rad number 2. It is super rad, by the way. It's got a metal plate on it. Never seen that. Or no, maybe it's not even metal. Oh, you dirty rat. There we go. We cut noodles off of that. That thing, never seen one of those before either. It looks like a heat shield or something. I don't know. Oh man, these needle nose suck. I've just absolutely destroyed them. I need an extension. There we go. Okay. Styrofoam drip tray, grody as could be. Take a few more screws out. You Oh, we got him way back there. That is rude. Way back. Sometimes it's not going to be pretty. go. Kicked his butt. A lot of wires. There we go. I'll get this off in a bit. Now I can get these two screws, but not the one that's way back there. No idea what I'm loosening here, but it still feels good. There we go. And this thing's off, and it is freaking dirty. Jeez. Absolutely no question why they got rid of this one. This thing is disgusting. Look at the junk in this. Ooh. Can't stand working in a dirty environment like this. Not gonna do it. I'm not an animal, and you shouldn't be either. I can't say that there's a ton of stuff in this thing, but let's see what we can do here. I don't get why those are just spinning and not coming out. Oh, maybe it's because of these nuts up here. Which nuts you have? These nuts right here. That's exactly what it was. These nuts. come out. Definitely copper. Throw that in the shred. Okay, so what do we get out of that thing? Got some wire, some number 2 copper right here. That copper, and we got 2 reds. That is red. So there you go. And the farther I go, the bigger these things are going to get. Actually, this one's smaller than the last one. Oh boy. Helps to take all the screws out, guys. Makes it so much easier. Look at the debris that's on these things. These people wonder why they ever broke down in the first place. Typical hotels though, no preventative maintenance at all. Just use it till it quits and then buy another one. It's crazy. Yeah. All number 2 right there. And we'll get the Hubba Bubba off of this. Bubblicious. Yeah, that's good to go right there. And the wife said that dinner is served. So I'm going in. If it's Brussels sprouts, I'm coming right back out. Oh man, almost hit me right in my man parts. Now this should come right off, but they never do. They get rusted on there. I will take it apart piece by stinking piece. Peace out. That went into the bowels of my garage. Got a rusty screw right here. Actually came up. Okay, more plastic. I'm gonna cut these off and have noodle fest later. Get all that number 2. Alright, that's a small one right there. Copper goes in the bucket. More right there. That's nice. There. See, I use a little finesse right there. Don't have to go Incredible Hulk on everything. From what?
From Walgreens. They're telling me that I can pick up my medication. It says, schedule your immunization too. Stay up to date on your COVID-19, shingles, and pneumonia vaccine.
Oh yeah. They're all about the vaccines now.
I've never even heard of a pneumonia vaccine.
Every kind of vaccine you could get, they want you to get.
You can stay up to date on your COVID-19, so that's a thing now. I'm like, just get them every 6 months.
Yeah, whether it works or not, just
Yeah.
inject yourself with it. Oh, I hope my volume wasn't on. Okay. I'll swear at that later. This one's off. Another one. Oh man. Put this with the rest. Wire harness. Wire bucket. There we go. Plastic. I'm just going to throw it in the dumpster because if this even remotely looks like an AC unit, they won't take it. This just looks like a flat metal plate and they'll take this. Okay, so that's AC unit number 2. Tell you what. Inquiring minds want to know whether this is copper. Don't roll away. That's copper. Oh yeah. All right. We're good there. Oh, I kicked my camera. Better than kicking the bucket, I guess. Okay, and yet another one. Guys, that is it for this one. I've got more to do, but I wanted to get through a couple of them and kind of show you what we end up with. Not a lot. We got number 2 copper right there. Just a little bit of wire. Of course, I already cut off the big power wire. Then we got all of these rads, and we got 2 of these, which are all copper. So, worth it? Yeah, for sure. And when I get into these other ones, they're a little bigger and we'll get more. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. What else could you do? Leave a comment, because those help a lot. And then, what else? That's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, and comment. That's all I could ask you to do. And then I'll see you on the next one. And I have no idea what it's going to be, but we'll be taking something apart. All right? Peace, guys.